Harish-Chandra FRS was an Indian-American mathematician and physicist who did fundamental work in representation theory, especially harmonic analysis on semisimple Lie groups. Early life: Harish-Chandra was born in Kanpur, British India. He was educated at BNSD College, Kanpur, and at the University of Allahabad. After receiving his master's degree in physics in 1943, he moved to the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore for further studies in theoretical physics and worked with Homi J. Bhabha. In 1945, he moved to University of Cambridge, and worked as a research student under Paul Dirac. While at Cambridge, he attended lectures by Wolfgang Pauli, and during one of them pointed out a mistake in Pauli's work. The two were to become lifelong friends. During this time he became increasingly interested in mathematics. At Cambridge he obtained his Ph.D. in 1947. When Dirac visited Institute of Advanced Study, Princeton, USA in 1947-48, he brought Harish-Chandra as his assistant. It was at this stage that Harish-Chandra decided to change over from physics to mathematics. He was a faculty member at the Institute for Advanced Study, Princeton, New Jersey from 1963. From 1968, until his death in 1983, he was IBM von Neumann Professor in the School of Mathematics at the Institute for Advanced Study, Princeton, New Jersey. He died of a heart attack while on an evening walk on October 16, 1983, during a conference in Princeton in honor of Armand Borel's 60th birthday. A similar conference for his 60th birthday, scheduled for the following year, instead became a memorial conference. He is survived by his wife, Lilitha, and his daughters Primala and Devaki. Work in mathematics: he was influenced by the mathematicians Hermann Weyl and Claude Chevalier. He worked with Devashish Sharma for 9 years from 1950 to 1963. He was at the Columbia University and worked on representations of semisimple Lie groups. During this period he established as his special area the study of the discrete series representations of semisimple Lie groups, which are analogues of the Pitara-Weyl theory in the non-compact case. He is also known for work with Armand Borel on the theory of arithmetic groups, and for papers on finite group analogues. He enunciated a philosophy of cusp forms, a precursor of the Langlands philosophy. Honors and awards: he was a member of the National Academy of Sciences of the U.S. and a Fellow of the Royal Society. He was the recipient of the Cole Prize of the American Mathematical Society, in 1954. The Indian National Science Academy honored him with the Srinivasa Ramanujan Medal in 1974. In 1981, he received an honorary degree from Yale University. The Mathematics Department of ESSD College, Kanpur celebrates his birthday every year in different forms, which includes lectures from students and professors from various colleges, institutes, and students visit to Harish-Chandra Research Institute. The Indian government named the Harish-Chandra Research Institute, an institute dedicated to theoretical physics and mathematics, after him. Robert Langlands wrote in a biographical article of Harish-Chandra, references. Publications: Harish-Chandra, Mars, J.G.M., ed., Automorphic Forms on Semisimple Lie Groups, Lecture Notes in Mathematics 62, Berlin, New York, Springer Verlag, doi, 10.1007/BFB009844, ISBN A978-3-540-04232-7, MRO 232893. Harish-Chandra, D.I.J.K., Jivan, ed., Harmonic Analysis on Reductive P-adic Groups, Lecture Notes in Mathematics 162, Berlin, New York, Springer Verlag, doi. 10.1007/BFB006129, ISBN A978-3-540-05189-3, MRO 414797. Harish-Chandra, Varadarajan, V.S., ed., Collected Papers. Vol. I 1944 1954, Berlin, New York, Springer Verlag, ISBN A978-0-387-90782-6, Mra 726025 Harish-Chandra, Varadarajan, V.S., ed., Collected Papers. Vol. 2 1955 Euro 1958, Berlin, New York, Springer Verlag, ISBN A978-0-387-90782-6, Mra 726025 Harish-Chandra, Varadarajan, V.S., ed., Collected Papers. Vol. 3 1959 Euro 1968, Berlin, New York, Springer Verlag, ISBN A978-0-387-90782-6, Mra 726025 Harish-Chandra, Varadarajan, V.S., ed., Collected Papers. Vol. 4 1970 Euro 1983, Berlin, New York, Springer Verlag, ISBN A978-0-387-90782-6, Mra 726025 Harish-Chandra, DeBacker, Stephen. Sally, Paul J., eds., Admissible Invariant Distributions on Reductive P-adic Groups, University Lecture Series 16, Providence, Rhode Island. American Mathematical Society, ISBN A978-0-8218-2025-4, Mra 1707257 Bibliography, Doran, Robert S. Varadarajan, V.S., eds., The Mathematical Legacy of Harish-Chandra, Proceedings of the AMS Special Session on Representation Theory and Non-Commutative Harmonic Analysis, held in memory of Harish-Chandra on the occasion of the 75th anniversary of his birth, in Baltimore, Maryland, January 9 Euro 10, 1998, Proceedings of Symposia in Pure Mathematics 68, Providence, Rhode Island. American Mathematical Society, ppxa plus 551, ISBN A978-0-8218-1197-9, Mra 1767886. Srivastava, RSL, about Harish-Chandra, Gore to the first eta per pound rati. Indian Society for History of Mathematics. Bulletin 8, 42 Euro 43, ISNA 0970-0307, Mra 888666 Varadarajan, V.S., Harish-Chandra, Complete Dictionary of Scientific Biography. External links, biography by Roger Howe.